I have my first beauty advent calendar unboxing for you guys, and for this year of 2024, I'll be only getting 2 advent calendars, and they're both from the same brand. I did a video of some of the beauty advent calendars that are coming out, and I'll link it down below if you want to check that one out. There are a lot of beauty advent calendars out there, and when I saw them first, they were getting too expensive, and 2, the products just look very similar from years past. I would normally get 4 or 5 beauty advent calendars, but this year, again, I'm only getting 2, and it's from the same brand, and it's from L'Occitane. The prices for these aren't bad, and I do love the products that are in these calendars. I use them at least probably 85-90% of the products in here. And for me, I do like that it comes in mostly travel sizes because we do travel, and I just want something small to put in my travel bag, and when I'm finished, I'll just throw it away when I'm there so we come back a little lighter and maybe room for souvenirs. Let's go ahead and get into it. Again, it's by L'Occitane, and this is the classic advent calendar. Here's what the box looks like. Kind of looks like a suitcase. And then on the back, it does have a sleeve, which has the products in here with the ingredients. This year, it does cost $84, so it's a little bit, doable compared to $305, $350, $495. They were getting a little too out there for me. But this one is doable. And in here, you do get 24 products in here, and you get a value of $115. It's not much of a good value if you think about it. $84, you want something that's probably $200, but this year we are getting 4 full-size products. In years past, it's usually just 1, and it's the hand cream. But this year we are getting 4 full-size products in here, 4 full-size favorites, it says. So the theme of it this year, I believe it's like a journey. It says, embark on a journey for the senses with this holiday season's advent calendar. It's a big name, Le Grand Voyage de l'Occitane en Provence. And I wish I could speak French. I'm sure it will sound beautiful with someone who could speak French. But again, this one has 4 full-size favorites of skin care, body care, hair care, and more. And this year's design is hand-drawn by, I know I'm going to mispronounce the name, Calicut Paris. It's created to take you on a journey through the landscapes of Provence that's lined with sparkling citrus and fresh flowers, setting the tone for a month of beauty and celebration. I do like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off the sleeve. Oh, it is taped here on the bottom. Let me show you. It is taped here on the bottom there. I did think that I was only going to get this calendar from L'Occitane, but as I was, looking at it, the other one is called the Premium Advent Calendar, and I usually get the classic one. The Premium, it's a little bit more expensive. Some of the products aren't, my favorite, even though most of them are the same. When I was reading about it, it also has 24 days in here with 6 full-size products, and they're including 3 bonus extras, 3 bonus items in here. So I thought, that's the first time I've seen that they've done this. So I went ahead and ordered that one. So that's why I'm getting both advent calendars from L'Occitane. And that one, just to let you know, is $144 with a $240 value. So that one's a little bit more, bang for your buck. But this one's not bad either. So let me go ahead and take off the sleeve. Oh, something else came off. So let me close that back so you can see what it looks like. Looks like an old-timey luggage, doesn't it? And here's the other side. It looks really nice. So it does say Le Grand Voyage. And on the back, the ticket for Provence. I like that. Okay, let's see. Is this another sleeve like that? Yeah, it comes out, and this is where it stops. I hope it's all in frame. So what I'm seeing is that there are cutouts here on this side and on the back. So it's one that you push in and the products are inside. Looking at the design here, it's really pretty. You can see that there's a train. I guess it's just going through Provence. But let's see if I could find the number, and it looks like I'll be going back and forth with it, which is fine because normally you don't open it all at once. I like to open it all at once, but for opening it up every day, it's not bad if you have to go back and forth. The artwork is kind of busy, so I have to look really hard for the numbers. Oh, and I did find number 1. So let me just show it to you the first time here. This is number 1. So yeah, I barely could see the numbers here. So for day number 1, it looks like we're getting a hand cream, and it looks to be a good size too. And I believe the scent is neroli and orchid, and it's the hand cream, and it's 30 mils of product in here. And honestly, I don't know if this is a full size, but it's a pretty good size. All right, we're off to a good start. Before I move on, let me just show you what it looks like when you open it up. So it has a little compartment in here. Day 2 is on the other side. Oh, and we have my favorite products in here, and it's the almond shower oil. And this one, you do get 35 mils of product. We need to flip it back for day 3, and for that we get the Ultra Rich Body Cream. We get 20 mils of product, which is 0.6 ounce. And it does have 25% shea butter. And this is the first time I'll be trying this product. So I'm glad that they're putting new products in their advent calendar. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it now. It looks like the odd numbers are on this side and the even numbers are on this side. So that's good to know. So for day 4, we are getting a very small sample size of the Immortelle Divine Youth Cream. Again, this is a very small size. It's 4 mils, which is 0.14 ounce. And I have tried this one, and I do have it in the full size, and this is really nice. This will be perfect for me when I travel, because this will be enough for a week. And this is what we get for day 5, and it looks to be body lotion. Actually, it's the body milk. And I want to say this is the verbena scent, which smells so good. Oh yeah, that smells so good. You do get 35 mils of product in here, which is 1.1 fluid ounce. And for day 6, it looks like we get a bath cube. It's the Effervescent Cube for Bath with essential oils of mint, pine, and rosemary. This one's gonna smell very Christmassy, and we did get it last year, and it smells so nice. Makes the water very soft as well. For day 7, it looks like we have a shower gel, and it's the 5 Essential Oils Shower Gel. This one's 50 mils of product, which is 1.6 fluid ounce. This has notes of sweet orange, pine, rosemary, mint. Can't read the 5th ingredient. It's let's see something, but I'll write it down here for you guys. Day 8, it looks like we have another hand cream, and it's the dry skin hand cream with 20% shea butter to nourish and smooth your hands. You do get 30 mils of product, which is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, that was day 8. Now let's go for day 9. Oh, this is my favorite product, or one of my favorite products from L'Occitane, and it's the Almond Shower Scrub. This is the first time that we've got it in this size, which is really nice to travel with. 20 mils, which is 0.73 ounce of product in here. The key ingredient in here is the crushed almond shells. Oh, I'm excited to get a travel size of this because I love the almond scent shower gel and the scrub as well. So for day 10, we have the Verbena Shower Gel. We already got the shower lotion. Now we have the shower gel, which is 35 mils of product, 1.1 fluid ounce. For day 11, we have my favorite skincare product. This is the Overnight Serum, which the full name is the Immortelle Reset Overnight Reset Oil and Serum. It's very small, 5 mils of product, which is 0.16 fluid ounce. But like I said, we do travel, so this is a perfect size to take in my bag. And I use this one at night. And let me tell you, since I tried it, my skin has been loving it. And the first time I did try it is when I got the advent calendar many years ago. It came in a sample size, and I tried it and I loved it. And then I got the full size of it. Whenever I apply this, and then I'll apply the Divine Cream on top of it, and maybe a sleep mask. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin just looks so clean, so smooth. The pores have shrunk. When I rinse my face off, it just feels very nice. So I do love this, and I love that it comes in a travel size. And I believe that L'Occitane says that they sell one every second. For day 12, we do have a body lotion, and it's the Cherry Blossom. And I have to admit, this one's not my favorite scent, which is okay for me because I can kind of group some products together and give it away as a gift. Little stocking stuffer or what have you. But this is the Cherry Blossom Shimmering Lotion. Okay, so it's a shimmering lotion this time. Get 35 mils of product, 1.1 fluid ounce. For day 13, we have the 5 Essential Oils Conditioner, which is 50 mils of product, 1.6 fluid ounce. For day 14, I thought we'd get the shampoo, but we do have a shower gel, and this one's for sensitive skin with 5% shea butter. 35 mils of product, 1.1 fluid ounce. And I do like that it's a shower cream instead of a shower gel, because this looks like it will really moisturize, especially if you have sensitive skin. Oh, that smells good. It smells very clean. Okay, that was day 14. Let's go to day 15. And for that, looks like we have another hand cream, Lavender Blanche. And it's the Soothing Hand Cream. 10 mils of product, 0.35 fluid ounce. And let me just compare it with the first hand cream that we got. So yeah, this one's really small. But I don't remember this from last year, this scent, the Lavender Blanche. Let me just go ahead and apply some. Oh, that smells so good. It's not very overpowering. Oh, and it feels so good on my hands too. So for day 16, I believe this one is a full size, and it's the bar soap, which we do love. And I use soap to shave my leg. And this is the Verbena Extra Gentle Soap with shea butter, 50 grams of product, 1.7 ounce. So I'm assuming that this one is one of the full size products. For day 17, we do have something very small, and it's the Light Comforting Cream with 5% shea butter. 5 mils of product, 0.17 ounce. For day day 18, I believe we get another bar of soap, and this is the Milk Extra Gentle Soap with shea butter. 25 grams of product, 0.8 ounce. So I guess I'm assuming that's another full-size product in here. So for day 19, we do get the shampoo, which is the 5 Essential Oils Micellar Shampoo. And it says it balances the hair. For day 20, it looks like we have the Almond Milk Concentrate. Again, this is my favorite scent. The almond shower gel, body cream, body scrub. You get 20 mils of product, 0.6 fluid ounce. And this is the almond milk concentrate. For day 20, it looks like we have another sample size of the hand cream, and I believe it's called Glycin Hand Cream. 10 mils of product, which is 0.35 fluid ounce. 22 looks like something is wrapped here, and it looks like to be a cloth that you could put over your fingers. Okay, so it's kind of like a terry cloth feel, and it has a hoop to hang it up to dry. I would say this is more like a filler product, but it's something that I would use because I believe something like Rituals, they would put a nail file, which, you know, put something a little bit more substantial, I guess. But this is not bad because I use a cleansing balm to cleanse my face, and then I'll just rub it in and then rinse off. Now, I don't know if they'll consider this as a full size, but we'll see at the end what we got. And for day 23, we have the cleansing milk. Okay, so it goes with this. This is the Shea Extract Cleansing Milk. So it's enriched with shea extract and orange blossom floral water. This gently removes makeup and eliminates impurities. And it works for all skin types. And let's see, you get 20 mils of product, 0.67 fluid ounce. And then the last day, day 24, Christmas Eve, which I think we already know what this is going to be, which I know is the full size. Actually, it's something different because usually the last day it's the full size of the hand cream, but this one, it looks to be the full size, but it's a foot balm. That's something different. But let's see, this is the Dry and Rough Feet Intensive Foot Balm with 25% shea butter, 50 mils of product, 1.7 fluid ounce, enriched with omega-3, omega-6, and keratin. It helps to nourish and protect the skin while immediately soothing it. So instead of a full-size hand cream, we have a full-size foot balm, which we do need for the winter months because our skin tend to dry out, and the L'Occitane products are wonderful products to use. So I'm trying to figure out what would be the full size. So let me try to figure out what would be full size. It could be wrong, but I can tell you the foot balm is one of the full size products. Maybe one bar of soap. The other one does look a little small, so maybe this one. I'm just guessing. And honestly, I couldn't tell you what else because they pretty much all look to be the same size. Maybe the little washcloth, finger washcloth. But I do like the products in here. The only thing's not my favorite is the cherry blossom. This one, the shimmering lotion, not my favorite. But pretty much everything else is. Especially the night serum, love this. The shower gel and the almond. Also in the almond scent, the body scrub and the lotion. Love the cleansing foam. I can't wait to try that. And if it's good, I'll probably get the full size. The shampoo and conditioner and all these body care products. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. So when I get the premium advent calendar, I will do an unboxing for you guys, and I'll kind of compare to see what is similar between the two calendars. Because I'm pretty sure maybe the almond scents might be similar, but I'm curious to see what their full-size products would be. There'll be 6 of them, and there'll be 3 extra products. So I am kind of excited for that one. And let me show you the box, what it looks like after it's finished. Just has all these open doors, and you can probably close this and put it on your counter. But anywho, I sure hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video of the L'Occitane Classic Advent Calendar. And then I'll do the video for the Premium Advent Calendar. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.